Oh shit. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Woo! And it was weird because it looked like you were just looking at it.
I was.
You're like,
what?
I was like, grab it! Grab the damn thing! These jackhammers really thump, man. I will say that. Wow, we're getting blown.
When we get around this other side,
Yeah, we'll be all right. We'll just keep fishing it. Keep fishing it. Keep fishing it and keep catching fish.
good job.
I think it's a good one. Yeah, it's a 2.5-er.
Yeah. You want me to get the scale?
Why not? Let's just see. Let's just get our brains calibrated for weighing fish. I say it's 2.3. There we go. These hooks are good. That's a nice fish.
Just under 2.
Well, I think he's 2.
Can't see it.
2.4, 2.8, 2.9, 2.8, 2.9. Almost 3.
You're shitting me. That's good. Yeah, it's about what I caught yesterday.
Yeah.
Two of them just like that.
First of the year. Well, this is my second for the year. This is the first good one. Cool. Good?
Yeah, you're good. 2 good ones.
Nice. Keep throwing this square bill, try to get some anglage here.
Where are you going?
Wherever you're not.
Right.
Probably about right there.
Sons of bitches. Well, at least we know they're a little. They are in the rocky shallows.
They're coming alive too. It's good to know.
That was a fish.
What worked?
Put right back in the space.
Matt.
Hey, that might be a good fish.
Yeah. He's taking drag too. Yeah. I don't have him great. I'm gonna flip him. He's a 2. 2 and something.
Yeah, it's good. Good job.
Whew.
Good job, Mary.
I got him. There we go. I'll put a scale on him. Didn't have him great, but I got him. I got him under the hard pan of his lip.
You texted me. I didn't even know.
Oh shit. Do you have pliers? That might be okay. Hold on. Yeah, it'd be better if I just use those. Still early in the season. I don't have my
Gear ready?
hand. Can't get my fingers out of your plier things now. I hooked them as I unhooked them. There we go. I'd say he's what, 2.5, maybe 2.25. Nice. 2.3, 2.64.
Good job.
So I'm up to a 5-pound bag. That was the 6 cents. Oh, and I got the motor running.
Well, you know, when there's more, when there's one, there's got to be more.
Yeah, man. Well, I thought I bounced off of a tree, and I thought it was right there. And I thought it was a stick, and I just started reeling fast on it.
He stayed low too.
Yeah, they're digging, man.
He stayed deep too.
They do not come up.
I think I have a little too much gear right now.
Yeah, me too. But if you were looking to get started and you didn't have any, you could buy 3 of those and say, okay, $10 and I got the chatterbaits covered. The colors, that's the only thing I'll say about the knockoffs is they always miss on the colors, just a little bit. Damn it. I'm on that. There's no way.
Yeah, that's a fish. I can see your rod tip bouncing.
Oh, man.
All right, I'm switching to my...
Dude, this is a big fish. I gotta just keep pressure on him.
That is a big one.
Oh, it's not that big.
He's big.
He's 3.
He's 4.2.
Dude, it was, did you see the stick moving? He was like getting wrapped around it and stuff. And I was thinking,
Joe.
I got lucky.
Good day for Joe.
Sometimes you get lucky. Oh, there's fish are nice here, man. We came home one day and there was a spot probably 2 feet around underneath the back bumper where something was dripping, and I touched it and it was gas.
Oh.
So I was like, well, that's not good. So I took it to the dealer thinking they'd be able to figure something out. And of course they were like, yeah, we can't find a leak. Now, when I released the gas cap, when I was investigating it, it was.
It is, I see him.
So when I was investigating it, he's littler. That's a 1.25 pounds.
Did she pull away from a gas pump or something?